Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to LMS Vlog. And for today's short vlog, we are going to unbox a very special item which I actually purchased last June. So I just got the chance to unbox this item and to film a short vlog for this. So what's inside? Join me as we do the unboxing. So this is actually a kitchen apparel which we purchased at Purple Cow Collection. Purple Cow Collection is actually a new clothing and kitchen apparel which is based in Baguio. Although it's still a new brand in the market, I am very much confident with the people who works behind this craft. I know them actually personally and I know how much passion they put into their own craft. So this is what's inside my parcel. So I have here two well-packed aprons and two paper bags for the packaging. So this is how it actually looks like if you purchase them personally. The packaging is well thought of and everything is just exquisitely wrapped in style. Worry-free in your delivery because the item is cleaned and sanitized. Every purchase comes actually with a freebie and I've got a tag or a keychain. So the tag is actually made of a leather, so quality. So let me now show you the two aprons which we purchased. I can no longer actually remember the design which I have chosen, so it's going to be a surprise. Oh, so this is their signature Purple Cow Collections purple apron. So let us now unfold it and let me show you the design which I have chosen. So this is the logo. The fabric that is used is a soft denim. There you go. So the apron is actually accentuated with this ornamental prints on the sides and on the pockets. So it has actually an adjustable neck strap for best fitting. So here's our first Purple Cow Collection apron. Let us now open the second one. I am now more excited with this one because I think this is one of their latest collection. And this one basically has this. It's so nice. What I can remember is that they launched these sets of designs last September in celebration of Baguio Day. So take a look of this Cordilleran fabric. It's very Pinoy at nakaka-proud magsuot ng Pinoy fabric sa kusina. Truly cooking with fashion at its best. Good job, Purple Cow Collection! Alright, so let us now try our Purple Cow Collections apron. Purple Cow's Collection's tagline is actually cooking with fashion. And undeniably, they have truly stand for it. There is no denial that the designs were impeccable. But more than that, the reason why I actually purchased these items is for protection. So finding the most functional kitchen protection should always be the priority. And Purple Cow Collection truly made it sure that beyond the design and its aesthetics, there is basically comfort, safety, and functionality. So I am now wearing the second design, which has actually Cordilleran fabric. And who would have thought that an apron can be perfectly accentuated with a Cordilleran fabric? Wala, Purple Cow Collection lang. Sila lang malakas. It's so nice, diba? Very, very nice, very elegant. Very comfortable, very functional. Wala. Sila lang ang sakalam. And for your additional questions and inquiries regarding how to purchase this very good apparel, I am tagging on the description box or the Facebook page of Purple Cow Collection. And there you go. And I really can't wait to feature these aprons on our next episodes here at LMS Vlog. And before we end this video, I just want to give a big shout out to Chef Sir Robinson Dasalia of the University of Baguio. Kudos for this very wonderful kitchen apparel. Purple Cow Collection, cooking with fashion. Here are some of the designs you can choose from. And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!